Hey random people out there on the internet. On an earlier video I said on my octagonal table build, which this is an update, that I would show you how to cut an octagon using simple geometry. So if we take a look here, you can see what I've done already. Drawing from corner to corner, I find the exact center. And I put a screw there, but that wasn't there when I did this. And we take our compass and make a circle from the center out to here, and that's this circle right here. Alright, now everywhere that the circle meant a diagonal, we put our compass here and did an arc, and did it all the way around for all 4 of these. By doing that arc, then when we drew a straight line that went straight through our arc, it dissected this into 8 pieces. And now we need a high-tech device to draw a bigger circle with a radius of what we want our octagon to be. And it's not perfect, but it's pretty close. Now, everywhere that our circle meets a line, we draw a straight line there. So if we look right there to right here, we'll draw us a straight line. And we do the same thing here. Right there where it meets, and right here where it meets, and draw a straight line. And here, and here, and we draw a straight line. So you get the pattern here. When I do all 8 of these, I'm going to have 8 equal sides. It about drove me nuts the first time I did an octagon, trying to figure out how to cut this side to 8 inches, cut that side to 8 inches, had to be exactly this angle, etc., etc. And then I hit upon this. And this is like way more simple. Okay, I don't know how much to tell you how much more simple it actually is. Because when I get done and I cut all these, I'm going to have an octagon with a diameter of about 32 inches. So anyway, I'm going to get this cut and we'll be back later to show you how it all came out. Thanks for watching and stay safe.